happy 1 year with Pen Shop. So,
Wow,
1 year na since the Icons event. So, you girls, Beanie, have been such an essential part of Pen Shop's story this year. Kamusta ang relationship nyo with Pen Shop, the brands?
Well, yung relationship po namin with Pen Shop feels like family talaga. Kasi kami pong Bini, gusto namin pag may nakaka-work kami ng brand, yung same kami ng values po. And we share the same values po. Authenticity, confidence. And sa lahat ng naka-work namin na brand, this is one of those partnerships where everything just flows naturally kasi the brand really believes in what we do, in who we are. They've supported our growth. Sinusuportahan na kami as a whole as Beanie. Kaya sobrang nakaka-proud din talaga maging part ng family nito. At sana hindi lang pang 1 year, syempre.
Nice. And actually, like what you said, Pen Shop shares a lot of the same values that you guys have, especially yung mga pinopromote nyo with your blooms. So, one of the big initiatives of Pen Shop is to grow their Club Pen community. Not just with the ambassadors, the endorsers, but also the actual customer base ang ating Club Pen fans. So, knowing that, how do you share those values in terms of community building? Kasi kayo rin, palaki na palaki yung Bloom community nyo eh. Tapos nakikita nyo rin, simultaneously, Club Pen is also growing. So how do you feel na parang parehong nag-grow yung Club Pen family, pati yung Bloom family nyo?
Well, first of all, it's so amazing to see how both communities are growing, Club Pen and also our Blooms. We see how Pen Shop has also been so supportive with all of our fan bases. With Club Pen, we are able to communicate with artists and we're able to have campaigns with these artists. It's not just solo campaigns, but they also want to highlight that we are not just solo artists. There are no levels to fame, and it doesn't matter how famous someone is. If they're a new artist or an old artist, they bring us together. Club Pen brings us all together.
Nakikita nyo ba na may Blooms na simultaneously Club Pen fans na rin sila? Multi-stand sila.
Yes, they support the other artists also. Kaya super nakakatuwa talaga for us.
And that's nice to see kasi everyone's building each other up. So, Pen Shop has made quite the impact this year. At sunod-sunod yung mga campaigns. So, from Brighter Days Ahead, ngayon nasa Cozy Days Ahead na tayo. What do you think is Pen Shop doing na nakakaiba from other brands in general?
With Pen Shop, I think for me, what stands out with them is that they listen and they listen to the community, to audiences, and even us artists. So we feel seen through that. And because of that, making us feel seen and heard, parang we also feel confident and comfortable. Kaya ang daming gusto maging part ng family. Kami gusto namin to be part of the Club Pen and we're not shy, we're not ashamed, we're very proud to be a part of it. And yeah, it's just happy to be a part of Club Pen.
I would assume that's very important as an artist, no? For you to feel seen and heard.
And it shows sa mga campaign videos, parang nung napanood ko nga yung Korea campaign na dun sila nag-shoot sa Korea, parang ang sarap maging part nung shoot na yon kasi nag-show siya sa energy na nire-release sa mga materials.
It comes off as genuine love for the brand. Ngayon nandito na tayo sa Cozy Days Ahead at saka sa pangalan pa lang ng campaign, parang presko, no? So, with this new campaign, nagfo-focus na tayo sa something that's very Pinoy. Na pagpa-Christmas na, slow down na tayo, reflect na tayo, bonding time na tayo with family and friends. So, with that said, how do you personally relate to this message of Cozy Days Ahead?
Yung Cozy Days Ahead po, it resonates with me kasi it's about taking a pause. So sa panahon po ngayon, parang kahit ang pag-pause, sobrang hindi siya madaling gawin. So lately po, ako po, I've been learning to slow down, appreciate po yung slow moments, and mag-reconnect. Yun po yung ginagawa. Ang pinapractice ko siyang gawin everyday. And as an artist naman po, and as an individual, nagre-reflect tong campaign na to kung saan po ako ngayon. So, mas focus po ako sa pagiging authentic, yung authenticity po, mag-reconnect, and alam niyo po yung, kumbaga, yun yung ginagawa talaga na pinapractice namin na ma-resonate din namin sa ibang tao.
So timely. Timely nga yung campaign na to kasi para sa'yo, ito rin yung gusto mong pagdaanan.
Yes, and yung ma-appreciate po yung beauty of slowing down.
It's nice. Yes, sorry.
Yes, add ko lang Kati Colette. Kasi as artists, di ba, we're always on the go. So, Cozy Days Ahead reminds us to, pwede tayo mag-slow down, lalo na pa-holiday na, di ba? So, parang i-give natin tong last quarter na to para sa mga sarili natin.
Ang sarap for you guys kasi coming from the very successful and busy year that you've had, it's just nice to have this. And for a brand to even say that you guys deserve Cozy Days Ahead.
Yes.
In terms of building their community, like what I said, aggressive yung growth ng Club Pen natin this year. But in terms of the Club Pen family, the ambassadors, the endorsers, lumalaki rin tayo. Have you had any notable interactions with other Club Pen endorsers or ambassadors?
Siguro po yung unforgettable for me is yung launch namin. Kasi of course, launch. Tas nandun yung ibang Club Pen friends namin. But yung most recent is yung sa upcoming campaign po namin for Christmas. Yes, but I can't say much. Abangan nyo na lang po yan kasi malapit na yan. Ayun, dun mas nakapag-interact, mas nakapag-usap kami with the other artists. And yun, medyo nakapag-bonding during the shoot. So, alam mo yun, sobrang amazing to be able to work with this artist, amazing artists. And hindi ito magiging possible with Pen Shop. So, we're very grateful.
Kasi nakikita lang po namin sila pagpapasok kami ng pen shop, yung mga photos nila doon. So finally, di ba, nag-meet na kami po and nagsama sa isang campaign together.
And first time namin ma-meet din talaga yung iba doon during the shoot po.
So, coming from how you described it, parang ang gaan-gaan ng meeting nyo at ang gaan.
Ay, habang hindi siya work, dami namin daldala. Literal na friends lang na nagsama sa
Nag-hangout.
And of course, it's for Christmas, so diba?
Yeah, and everyone's so humble. Walang angatan, walang ego or pride there. Everyone's just so humble and so happy to work with each other.
And that's so nice to hear kasi iba-iba yung journey nyo sa showbiz with the other Club Pen endorsers. So, talagang light lang yung shoot nyo or at least yung preparation nyo for that campaign. Without without teasing too much, what do you think can your fans, your audiences expect from this upcoming campaign? Makikilig ba sila? Sila ba'y matutuwa? Or
This is gonna be so exciting kasi this is gonna be the first time na makikita nila kami on photo. So, wala rin silang idea kung sino-sino talaga yung mga kasama namin doon sa upcoming campaign. Ang ganda kasi ang humanizing niya as well as ang saya na makita yung mga favorites mo or yung mga hindi mo ina-expect ng artist na makikita mo in one frame. So, excited kami na malabas ng campaign na to and yung may song.
Yes, it's coming.
May song din.
Sabi naman tayo live.
May song din and of course, yung all collection. Parang yung Pen Shop, Pen Shop reminded us na just take a step back and look at the bigger picture, na just breathe and pause. Katulad nga ng sinabi nila, and it's gonna be so exciting. Yan lang talaga masabi ko. I can't say much kasi baka may masabi ako. But look, abangan.
Abangan na talaga namin yan. Okay, I won't push na baka may ma-reveal tayo. Pero first time ito mangyayari, no? So, yun, panghawakan namin yan. We'll wait for it. I think in the next days to come, no? Malapit na ilabas. So, ngayon na nandito na, it's a time to pause, to celebrate. But also, we know na maraming napagdaanan ang Pilipinas in general, but also specifically for Davao. Are there any efforts that you know of in terms of helping our fellow Filipinos with the recent earthquake or the recent calamity that Davao hit?
Yes, with what has been happening around in the Philippines, there are a lot of unfortunate things na nangyari po. And connecting it with Paspini and also Pen Shop, I think what's something that we have in common is the initiative. Kasi even before, actually, I knew of this before sa pen shop, and kami din girls, we've always had that desire to help. And it's so nice to be able to work with a brand now. We know that they have that in them, the initiative. Kasi, aside that yung na-mention ko before with being comfortable and being confident with them, it also allows us to feel safe in that way. And also, they're not just making the people that they're helping feel safe, but also us. So, yes, it's nice to hear that even before pa. So, I hope lang it keeps going on. Yung initiative, yung sense of comfort that they bring out to everybody. And yeah, hopefully it will spread across the Philippines.
And I think it's automatic, no, with pen shop na pag may ganitong instance, they don't need to be called. Ando na sila, automatic na. And I think that resonates with you as well as a group. Kasi that's also, I think, the feeling that you want with your fellow Blooms, na pag kailangan, andun ang Blooms for each other, not just for each other, but for your fellow Filipinos. No? That's very nice to hear. Now, going back to specific to the brand, Cozy Days Ahead, bagong collection to. But coming from the numerous campaigns that you've had, ano ang mga favorite pen shop pieces nyo?
Can I go first?
Go ahead.
Ako personally, I love all the knitted wear, knitted tops. I own a lot. Kasi no joke, every time.
May collection na po yan sa bahay niya.
Oh, parang may own store ako sa sa place ko kasi parang almost every day I wear pen shop and it's because it's so comfortable. And aside sa it's so comfortable, you look so good wearing it and affordable pa siya. So,
Yeah.
it's really hitting a lot with it. Yeah.
Okay, ako, lahat ng terno po. Kasi, parang pag may shoot kami, okay, eto na, kukunin.
Wala nang isip.
Wala nang isip-isip. Kasi perfect. Ang ganda ng style. Crop na jackets, tapos skirt. Okay ka na eh. Diba? And ayun, madali siyang bagayan. And plus, yung color palette, talagang pasok sa generation po namin.
Me, I like the pants, mga cargo pants, kasi I like baggy pants. Meron din silang straight cut. Meron din silang mga fitted, flared, name it. They have it. So yeah, all the pants.
Yeah, for me, well, aside from everything, I'm honestly so impressed with Pen Shop, with their growth and their style. I cannot forget about the flared pants I wore in the Icon MV. It was so good. It fit me so well. And tinry ko talaga siyang hanapin sa mga pen shop stores in Manila and hindi ko na siya mahanap. So, yun po yung multo ko.
Naunahan ka ng blue.
Naunahan ako ng blooms. Yeah.
Ako, aside sa mga oversized na shirt, gusto ko din yung terno.
Mhm.
Lalo na yung summer collection. Yung nasa beach tayo, yung stripes. Or yung denim na jacket and yung shorts din. Mabilis kasi talaga siyang like kung hindi ka makapag-isip ng ano isusuot mo sa araw na to, yun na makukunin mo.
Ako naman po, lahat ng baby tee ng pen shop. Specifically yung black na pen shop, yung nakalagay na pen shop. Lagi kong suot yan every time na may shoot kami. Kahit sa training, ganun, very comfy siya and very my branding. Ang ganda ng tela po kasi and very casual siya sa akin. So, fit na fit and I love it.
Very cash.
I meant it. Ako, gusto ko yung sinuot ko para sa yung teaser natin for this. Yung invitation na video natin na pinost. It is a pink plaid na dress. And I like to pair it with pants. So, parang dress over pants. Kasi mahilig ako sa printed. And I like to match print on prints. Kahit hindi siya bagay, gusto ko siyang suotin. So, kunwari. Ito suot ko ngayon, plaid na brown. Gusto ko siya with Mika's top or Sheena's top. Ganon.
Akin naman po, yun yung mga basic shirts din, yung katulad kay Stacey, yung mga baby tees, or kaya yung loose shirts. Kasi sa training, ayun, mas nagagamit ko rin po talaga siya. Alam mo yung comfy lang, ganun. Yes. For dancing, di ba po?
Ang nice to hear kasi you all have different styles, pero put together, cohesive pa rin yung look nyo. So it's very nice to hear. We're down to our last question. What do Cozy Days look like for you girls?
Cozy days. Ako po kasi taong bahay ako. So, siguro yun at home. Tapos, chill lang. Maybe movie, ganun. Tapos, alam mo, nakahilata ka lang sa ganun. Cozy days.
Ako naman, siguro picnic sa parks kasi lately, I've been going out para pumunta lang sa park para mag-read ng book or mag-bike. So, yun yung cozy days for me kasi nakaka-refresh ako and recharge about the noise na nangyayari, about everything. Yeah.
Ako naman po, kapag yung magve-vacation na kaming bini, yung papasko na talaga, nag-gloomy weather, ganyan, nasa bahay ka lang, or condo, or kwarto, tapos manonood ng movie, iinom ng ng hot chocolate drink. Ayun. That's cozy days for me. Iinom ng
May post pa.
Ako po, since hindi din po ako type na tao na sobrang magala. So, nasa bahay lang din, with family or friends na nasa bahay, catch up lang, kumain, manood ng movies, mag-karaoke. Yeah.
Parang same lang kami. Pero if I were to...
Baka ikaw na pala yung friend ko na pumunta na.
Oh. Pero yun nga, if I were to go like outside the country, like with my relatives outside the country, cold weather kasi yun talaga yung favorite ko. Like yung ka with a blanket, tapos hot choco, movie or read a book. It's so nice na ganun lang yung peaceful. Yeah. With classical music.
Ay, sample.
Ay, hindi ko kaya yun.
Me, cozy days means rotting in bed. I will wake up hapon na and then magluluto ako ng comfort food ko, either bacon, egg rice, or spam egg rice. And then I will watch my favorite K-drama show or drag race show, and then I will chill with my cats. And then, sleepy na ako. Tulog na ako. Yeah. A day in my life.
Yes, ako naman, gusto ko din nasa labas ako, like, cafe hopping with views.
Yes!
Gusto
A day in my life as a cafe owner.
Gusto ko yung may...
Ay, Visit it po sa Laguna.
Apo, yes. So, gusto ko yung mga view, tapos kasama ko yung family and friends ko. Yeah.
Owner.
Sa akin naman po, I think it's really in me na I do a lot of hobbies, I travel a lot. So, I think I can never change that because that's part of me. But I guess those are the things that give me coziness. Because for me, cozy means at peace, calmness, and rest. So, kahit ang dami kong ginagawa physically, but they help me rest my brain. So, yeah, yun yung cozy days. Mag-hike. Oo, mag-hike. Pinapawisan pero walang inis.
Nice. Thank you. Those are all of my questions. Maraming salamat. Ay, wait. Ay, yung
Sorry
water?
po, kasi aside sa cozy days, it's flu season po.
Naambulan kagabi?
Oh, do you want water? I'm okay na with my questions.
Okay, maraming salamat to visit you in your cafe sa Laguna.
Yeah!